What's up, guys? It's your boy GTA Boy. We're out here right now. We got the Goblin Vet GTA bikes outside right now, so we're about to do an install on that bad boy over there. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. She's looking so pretty right now. So we got an Extreme Online Store install for the C8. I'm real excited. It's in carbon fiber to match all the carbon fiber parts. Do you guys think what part of this car is kind of missing right here? Just right here. What do you think is missing? That needs to, there you go. You too. I'm just kidding. I love you both. I love you guys. But this is car time now. What is missing here that you guys can like spot out almost instantly? Let's see. Front splitter, hood, carbon fiber roof. Okay. Carbon fiber handle. Oh, we're missing something here. Oh yeah. Side skirts. Let's get it happening. Thank you so much. Again, you guys definitely check out extremeonlinestore.com for their carbon fiber parts, and they have regular carbon flash for your C8, and I'm sure they have more for other vehicles as well. Definitely check them out. Link is going to be in the description. Let's get this installed because I want to see what these are going to look like. Guys, we got the box out there, and this box is huge. It's like almost the size of a car. Hold on, let me put this next. Let's see. Wow, it's a long box. But yeah, as you see, we're about to open. I didn't even open it yet. So make sure you guys check out Extreme Online Store. They got some really cool aftermarket parts for cars. Definitely check them out. They have Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. Thank you again, Extreme Online. We're about to open this box and see what you guys have given me and the GTA Boy Corvette. You guys are next time. I promise. I hate opening boxes because I just want to see what's already inside. So I kind of did most of the tearing. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, there's more. Oh my gosh. I still can't see it. So I'm going to try and do this part real fast. Thank God they wrapped them good, so you know it's protected. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, I hate unwrapping. Let's just get to it and finish. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like. So obviously it's not on properly, but looks pretty clean. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So exhausting just to do literally nothing. But I think it looks really good. Let me move past the Goblin bike here. Yes, I needed that. Oh my gosh, and it's carbon fiber, so it's matching everything we need. Yes, so just so you guys know, this is from Extreme Online Store too. They made these covers for the handle in carbon fiber for the C8. And now I got these side skirts to match. Let's get ahead. And thank you so much, Extreme Online. Let's get these side skirts on and let's see what these are looking like. Dang, I'm covering the sticker on the inside. I'm probably going to put a sticker on the outside. That's really cool. What should I put? What should I put? Oh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, you guys, what I'm gonna do first before I put this on, I'm going to clean the surface here because it's really dirty because it's been raining the last few days. So I'm gonna wipe that down, drill some holes, lined. So the side skirts come with holes already pre-drilled in them, which is perfect. Less work for me. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up, put little white Dippin' Dots on the bottom here. Or usually I use like white marker or white out or something. And then mark them on there, drill through that. And they give us self-tapping screws. So that's pretty handy. And they give you regular screws. So, as you can see here, and then self-tapping. So usually with self-tapping screws, you need a tapper. I call these the tapper. So you need a tapper to get these tapping screws in here. So basically, these make it like permanent. I'm probably going to use these because I want them to be strong and just hold the whole time. So I'm probably going to end up actually using those. And then before I do that, I'm going to put the double-sided tape on there, all on there. So make sure you clean the surface too before you put this tape on here. Just clean that and then clean the bottom so that it sticks. And yeah, and pretty much you'll be pretty much done after that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's get to work. All right, you guys, we got one side on. This thing is looking so much better when it's actually on properly. Oh my gosh, let's look at it. Whoo! Oh my goodness. This car needed a side skirt bad. Oh my gosh. With the carbon, it just looks so good with the roof, the handle. Oh man, thank you so much, Extreme Online Store. Y'all killed it with this carbon fiber one. I will never forget when I seen it. As soon as they brought it up on their page, I was like, I need that right now. Make sure you guys definitely check out extremeonlinestore.com. They have the absolute coolest modifications you can add for your car. Doesn't have to be carbon fiber, so if you guys want to do like carbon flash or any other colors, they usually have other options. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I just want to drive and just like look out the window and look at the side and just Extreme Online Store. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you guys for watching. And like I said, it's a very easy install. This should take you probably like 30 minutes to an hour, depending if you just have all the tools. I obviously didn't have all the tools out, which took time, and I didn't have the stuff out of the box, so that took more time, and I had to film. So but yeah, usually a job like this will take like 30 to an hour. All you need, honestly, is a self-tapping gun if you decide to use the self-tapping screws. Or you can use regular screws and just have a drill and just drill the holes, or just drill the screws in there. Other than that, you have a I used a white marker and white out to mark my holes. So I would hold it, as you guys saw with the tape, held it on there since I don't have no one else to help me, but you can pretty much do it by yourself. I just used tape to hold it up and line it up, and use my other hand to push it up to make sure it was all the way against the car and lined up, and just dotted the holes, took the thing away and drilled through it. It's pretty easy, and that's pretty much it. And as soon as you know it, it's on there looking like, oh my gosh, just so, look at how it goes in the sun. Oh my, I'm like blocking half the sun. Let me get out the way so you can really see that. Oh man, look at that carbon fiber. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. Oh man, the car just looks so different. It just looks more complete. Like I said, thank you, Extreme Online Store. Make sure you guys definitely subscribe. I'm gonna leave the link below to their website so you guys can check them out. They also have, like I said, the handles, carbon fiber handles. I believe they have more stuff too. I think they have front splitters too for the C8. So all my Corvette guys, which there are a lot of you on my page, make sure you guys check them out. They have some really cool stuff, and I think they have really good deals going on right now. So definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much. We will see you and GTA Boy on the next episode. Hannon.